Hello everyone, what's going on? It's your Beaver, MillennialStacker, and today I want to talk about the markets. As you know, if you are subscribed to me, I put out a poll on Thursday basically saying that I thought that there would be a market sell-off on the Friday after the volatile week. That tends to be the way it goes, so I actually was wanting to buy throughout that time, but then I just got in on Friday. Thought it'd be a bigger dip day, but yeah, I bounced, so I just bought. Why wait any longer? It could go up more, who cares? It could go down, who cares? So what I bought was Manulife Financial Corporation, and it's $22.50 a share when I got in at the end of the day on the Friday. I waited till the end of the day on the Friday to buy. I tend to do that on the volatile weeks, and it pays off. Like, if just doing that the vast majority of the time, it has paid off long term, but this is one where I am wrong. And that's going to be the way it goes. You can't always be right. You're going to be wrong a lot of the time. But, yeah. It's not a real big deal, but it's kind of hoping the markets drop more, to be honest. I've been saving some cash, and I just use some, for me, I've just used some dividends that I've accumulated to make my last purchase. And that's one thing that's really nice about holding stocks as opposed to going all in on something like gold and silver and everything. They pay you to hold them, right? You're the owner of the business now. That's the way I look at it. What business do I want to own? Not what stock do I think is going to go up. So, I want to get in on financials with the rising interest rates. I don't think the banks are going to be I don't think we're going to see the growth as strong there with what I see as a recession coming. I want to be into some recession-proof companies while I'm still going to be making money. I like the dividend, I like the yield, over 6%, not bad. Maybe a drop just under when I bought, but basically 6%. Can't go wrong with 6% yield. And I could easily be wrong, but I believe now is a great time to buy. Yeah, with doing the nights on the bridge there, I did kind of lose track of the markets. I'm getting back in touch with what's going on right now. Still not fully in tune like I used to be. Yeah, I'm getting back into it right now, and yeah, so that's why I'm making the videos again. Silver to me does seem very attractive. There's a few purchases that I really want to make, but yeah, I'm kind of putting my money to what's most attractive right now. I see silver on sale, but I see a few other companies that are just a better deal in comparison. Now, I'm valuing everything based on what it's doing today and everything. I'm not speculating what's going on in the future too much, because everyone can easily be wrong. Nobody has a crystal ball or anything. That's also why I hedge all my bets. That's why I'm not stressing out about the drop in anything. I buy value. As you guys know, last summer I got rid of everything to do with growth stocks and everything, because basically inflation is gonna be here real soon. Everyone's gonna be hiking rates. We're gonna get a drop. That's kind of what I was foreseeing. I wanted to move over to value. People are probably gonna look for another place to put their money other than growth. It's been paying off because I'm getting some nice dividends. Everything's dropping. I buy based on value, and I'm sticking to my system of buying based on value, sticking to my system of how I value companies. If you'd like me to do a video separate on that, I could, because everyone has a different system. Nobody's systems are the same. Also, people have different ways of looking at how to value businesses in different sectors of the economy. Financials will be valued a lot different than commodities producers, things like that. Nothing's going to be the same in every sector and everything. I like the financial sector myself. I just see there's probably going to be a recession, but interest rates are rising. Interest rates going up does mean more money for the banks. If there's a recession, people have trouble paying. They have so much money for loan loss provisions. It's almost ridiculous. Like, the Canadian banks, to me, they're some of the most well-capitalized businesses on the planet. They never cut dividends, ever. They have they have some of the best dividend histories out of all companies on the planet, with a long history to show how they like to run their business, what their platforms are. But I'm sticking to my system. I'm not getting worked up. I'm getting excited over buying. I see it as a blessing. I see it as opportunity. And when things go up and up and up and up and up, I see it as a nice blessing and selling opportunity. Buy low, sell high. You might not plan on selling in the future at that time, but you could say things are just so overvalued. I'm really cutting back on my shares in this business. If you buy and sell, all based on value. That's kind of where my mind's at this week. I'd love to know what you guys are up to, what you guys are looking at for investing gold, silver right now in the markets. What's going on with your portfolio? I'd love to know. What sectors are you guys looking into? For me, I'm really looking at financials, just with the rising interest rates and everything. But I think a nice insurance company like Manulife, I think that is not a bad place to park some money. Getting a nice dividend. It'll take a really bad recession in order for people to say, hey, I'm going to stop insuring things. That's just not really typically the way it goes. People still pay their insurance. They might cut back on the extras, and they'll see that as a need, not a want. Just my thoughts and opinions though. But yeah, please like and subscribe and join the Beaver Dam fam. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.